Chery, the Chinese manufacturer behind both Omoda and Jaecoo, is now selling its own branded vehicles in Australia, and it has started with a focus on SUVs. Following on from the 5-seat Tiggo 7 and the 7-seat Tiggo 8 is the Tiggo 9 Chery Super Hybrid. The Chery Tiggo 9 is a spacious SUV with a length of 4,810 millimeters, width of 1,925 millimeters, and height of 1,741 millimeters, giving it a strong and modern road presence. Its 2,800-millimeter wheelbase provides excellent stability and generous interior space for a comfortable driving experience. It starts at $59,990 before on-road costs and will primarily compete with the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. The eye-catching exterior is highlighted by Chery's signature diamond grille, 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, retractable door handles, and an LED light bar that stretches across the entire rear of the vehicle. There are 4 color options to complement the SUV's elegant design, which includes Aurora Green, Star White, Technical Gray, and Cosmic Black. Inside, the Tiggo 9 has been designed with comfort in mind. Heated, ventilated, and massaging leather seats in both rows, a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and a premium 14-speaker Sony sound system, including speakers built into the driver's headrest, all come standard. The dual-screen setup, a 10.25-inch driver display, and a 15.6-inch infotainment touchscreen, runs Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, and Chery's voice control system. There's also a 50-watt wireless phone charger and a head-up display. The Tiggo 9 introduces auto parking for the first time in the Chery range, taking care of tricky parallel and perpendicular spots on its own. A 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, forward collision warning, and 10 airbags round out the safety package. Under the skin, the Tiggo 9 is powered by Chery's advanced Super Hybrid technology, which combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine with 2 front electric motors and a single rear unit. Together, they have a combined output of 315 kilowatts per 580 newton meters and can travel up to 1,250 kilometers on a single tank of fuel and charge. All-wheel drive is achieved through an electric motor powering the rear axle, and power is sent to the front wheels via a dedicated hybrid transmission. The lithium-ion battery has a capacity of 34 kilowatt-hours and allows this large SUV to travel up to 170 kilometers on EV power alone.